Good morning, guys. So today is 23rd of February 2019, and again it's a nice morning, very sunny. So I'm going for breakfast. So I'm on my own because James is fast asleep. So I'm going for breakfast on my own. I'm starving. So James didn't have a good night's sleep last night, so I just leave him sleep. I didn't wake him up. So it's just me. Just finished my breakfast. Now I'm going back to James. He's probably still asleep. Okay, so I'll just sit somewhere for now because James is still asleep. I'm just sitting in front of the bar. Oh, I think I eat too much breakfast. Might get another coffee. So let's just wait for James to wake up. I'm just gonna have a coffee. Lovely day today. I think it's every day. It's nice here. Best time to relax. No children, no James. I'm on my own here, lying here. It's the best time to relax. Let's go to their toilet, ladies' toilet. Let's have a look at their theater. So we're going in the theater. So we're just having a coffee and a Moroccan biscuit. James is up and about now. We got a Moroccan biscuit. How is it?
Nice.
Nice.
Good.
Cheers. Nice.
15-minute walk.
So we are going for a hunt. He wants to see the boxing tonight, so we're gonna have to go for a walk. So we're going back. We're going to Maxwell pub and ask them if they play boxing. Crossing the road, there is no traffic light, so
Take life in your hands.
the quicker you are, the better. So we're looking for Maxwell pub. Shall we sit down? Having some rest. It's hot. It's nice though. Better than England. We had a lot of walking today. Oh my god. We're looking for McDonald's. We couldn't find it. It's lunchtime. Let's have something to eat. Just have our lunch, full belly. We need a half an hour, sit down. We are going out and James is getting drunk. English pub. We just here in the pub. It's called Flamingo. I think James is waiting for me out there. But we going back to our room.
No, Grace is going back to the room. I'm
Yes,
going
we
to
are.
Casino. Kate. I mean C-A-S-I-N-O.
He
Bye.
He can even spell now. We're going back in our hotel. We better go back in our hotel because it's empty. Actually, here, look at that.
Boring.
I guess
Boring.
Shut up.
Fucking boring.
What's the time? 11:30. 11:30.
No, it's about 1 o'clock.
Oh my God. 1:45.
It's
It's
12:22.
It's 20 to 1
No,
in the morning.
no. It's 12:22.
Huh?
It's 12:22.
20 to 12.
No, it's 22 minutes past 12.
All right. So
God, you're retarded.
it's 20 past 12
Roughly.
in the morning. So that's our hotel over here. We are going back in our hotel because
No, we're not.
thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye.